amazing. And the best thing that I think this business did to me or have done to my family as well is I was able to close the daycare business last year. And it's super cool because though I love teaching, I love taking care of children, but it takes me 10 hours a day, sometimes more than that, to run the daycare every single day. And I only get like $140 a day with that. So it's super tiring. It's super tiring, and I run the daycare at our home, so it's like I don't have a relaxing time really. So after I finish in the day, I have to look after my family as well. So I was really, really happy when that daycare business was closed. I told my husband, if I can make like $5,000 in this online business, I'll be closing that daycare. And that happened on my 6th month of this business. I made 8,600, and that really is amazing. 8,600 for just a month for me is like first time ever in my entire life. So I was so happy. I closed the daycare October last year, and after that, the money just kept coming in this business, and I was able to afford to take my family, my 2 kids, to a 9-week vacation to the Philippines. And that is so amazing because we get to spend time with my parents there, my siblings, and my kids were able to learn the language. And that's so cool for me and my husband, because they just speak English here, but now they can speak the language, and that is really super cool. And they were able to spend time with their cousins. And at the same time, while I was there, I was making money. Like I was receiving this 30,000 pesos, 40,000 pesos in just in my phone, and my bank account. It just keeps growing. And last thing that I want to share is this business. The first time I joined this business, I told my papa, my father, I said to him, this business will work, I'm gonna buy you a car. And you know what? End of last year, I bought my parents their very first car ever. And that is super amazing. So I'm just really so happy that I found a legit business, because not everyone in the online space are legit, and this is super legit. And I'm just so happy, and I'm not planning to planning to stop. I'm so inspired and just want to keep sharing this business to everybody, because this is life-changing for me and for everyone there. So thank you so much, guys, for listening, and welcome for those who joined, and just give it a try. My husband was so skeptical when I joined this business, but when he saw money's coming in, then he's supporting me now. So that is really, really cool. Thank you so much for listening.